We went on a little adventure. I needed firewood for my wood stove. John needed wood so that he can cut it into slabs. He got the big logs, I got the smaller logs. This worked out great for both of us. John brought the bigger equipment all the way around. The smallest saw was this 45cc saw, which was an Echo 450. Worked great, actually ended up being the MVP. Did the most work of all the saws. Have a 60cc saw, which was mine, but I didn't bring it because it's broke, because I broke it, which there'll be another video about that. And then John brought this 120cc saw. That's crazy. There's dirt bikes with smaller engines than that. Well, he used that for a while, cut up a lot of the big logs, till he grounded it, which grounding it usually dulls your saw. But in this case, there's rocks in that ground, and it dulled the shit out of that chain. It actually dulled the chain so bad, he couldn't bring it back on site. So, like I said, that Echo 450, the 45cc saw, MVP. Cut up the rest of the log. Now, we also wanted to bring in a third party that had something to pick up these logs. But that's why you're here, to find out how we got those logs into that trailer without big equipment other than the trailer itself. So, let's check it out. Got the first couple logs on. Now we're gonna make it a little interesting. We're gonna add a little complication. We're gonna blow that fuse on that winch. What do we do at that point? Well, you'll find out. As I was going through editing these videos, I wanted to point out a couple things. One of them, this is John's plan. I would gladly take credit for it, but he's the real mastermind here. I was just helping out. Also wanted to tell you, I almost broke his saw. I almost had to buy him a new saw. If you want to know what I did, in the comments below, if I get 50 subscribers to ask what did I do to John's saw, I'll let you know. But I really don't want to tell you, and I don't expect that to happen. All right, guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and set reminders so you can see the next adventure. All right, till next time, guys.